Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you a handy trick on Samsung devices, how to use the object eraser. Whether you want to remove unwanted objects from your photos or just want to be creative, this tool is super handy. So let's jump in. Open the gallery on your device. Select the image on which you want to delete an object and click on it. With the image open in a new page at the bottom of the screen, scroll down to the Edit option and click on it. The image will be switched to edit mode, where also in the lower right corner of the screen in the toolbar, click on the 4 circles. When you click on those 4 circles, a new toolbar will open where you will click on the Object Eraser option. Now, you have to select the object you want to delete from the image. Use your finger to make a ring around that object. The option will automatically recognize what you want to delete. All you have to do is click on the Erase option. And that is that. You have successfully deleted the object from the image that you do not want to be in the image. You are now a pro at using Object Eraser on Samsung devices. I hope you found this tutorial useful and have fun experimenting with this awesome feature. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.